love you guys so much. And everyone, thank you. And firstly, my friends, first message to my family, my dad. Ay, mga kong si Ate Vice, Ate Karel, Ate Victoria, Ate Ann, Kuya Mom, Kuya Vicky,
Lipat na naman.
Galing ah!
Ba't kasi kailangan lapit kay Daddy?
Apa, galing ah!
Shoot yung ball, shoot. Layo naman eh. Oh, get your ball. Elijah.
Ayan na naman eh.